Hi, I'm Drew, an installer at Refloor, and I'm here to prepare you for your flooring installation. Before I get started, I want to thank you for choosing Refloor. We can't wait to install your beautiful new floor. Before we arrive, there are 3 things you must do to prepare for your installation, and we'll take care of the rest. Number 1, please remove all small and fragile items from the rooms where your new floors will be installed. Clear out any easy-to-move objects on dressers, desks, and bookcases. We'll take care of the big stuff. Number 2, disconnect electronics and appliances. And if we are installing new floors in a closet, please remove all hanging clothes and anything else on the floor. Number 3, plan to be present during your installation or to have another adult who's familiar with your project and the materials you chose. Be present during the entire installation. It's also important to have a secure area away from the installation for your pets, children, and valuables. There's a lot that happens at Refloor to prepare for your custom installation. We start by selecting the right crew. Unlike many other flooring companies, Refloor has its own certified crews. This lets us handpick the right team for every job. Your installation may start anytime between 9 and 11 a.m., but we do appreciate your patience if the installers are not there exactly at the start of the estimated time frame. When the installation crew arrives, they'll ask you to verify the color of the planks and the rooms where the new floors are being installed. They will walk the rooms with you, answering any questions you have about the work. Please be prepared to pay any outstanding balance on the day of installation. As part of your flooring package, the installers will carefully move furniture and appliances. Your installer may need to remove your doors, and we will rehang them after the installation. Once the rooms are cleared of furniture, your installation team will get started on the floors. Depending on the specifics of your project, they may remove your old flooring and haul away the debris. Sometimes, circumstances are discovered after removing existing flooring that requires additional work, like leveling or replacing a damaged subfloor that could not have been seen at the time of the sale. If this happens, we will work with you to determine the costs and get your approval so we can complete your installation without delay. Rest assured that our experienced pros treat every installation with care and pride. Please know that sometimes installations can run over to the next day. If this occurs, it's because we want to complete your job correctly and never rush. After the floors are installed, the installers will return any furniture and appliances that were moved and will broom clean the area. Please keep in mind, there may be some residual dust. This next step is essential and the last thing we ask you to do. Before the installers leave, please walk through each room and inspect the installation. Check the transitions between rooms and ensure they are secure. Inspect the quarter round and make sure our installers caulked and filled the nail holes in the moldings, and inspect the floor itself. If anything does not meet your expectations, let your installation crew and coordinator know so we can fix it while our crew is still at your home. Remember, you're the boss. Once the inspection is complete, your installation coordinator will ask for your approval of the work. Make sure you are happy with the work and that we have completed the job according to the work order before you sign your completion certificate and clear our installer to leave. Refloor's mission is to provide fast and easy lifetime floors. We want you to know you're in good hands, and we will take care of your home like it's our own. If you have any questions or need to reschedule your installation, please call us at 844-REFLOOR. Again, thank you for trusting us with your home. You're going to love your new floors.